Yeah, that's the TAYMAC weatherproof GFCI kit. That's some information here and also in the bag. So if you want to do an outside outlet installation, then you have pretty much everything what you need except from the wire, of course. But other than that, we really get everything. We get the box here which you can attach to a wall. We are doing that by using some of this stuff here. Would have been nice to have 4 of these brackets. I don't know why we only have 2 of them. I mean, we should be good with 2. So we place one here, use the screws here. And when we have it secured like that, we can screw it to a wall. But 4 would have been better. I've seen some insulation with 2, some insulation with 4. On top and at the bottom we have the opening to feed the wire in or out. Same thing at the back. Whatever you don't need, you can cover with these plates. And so when you have it installed, we put this on top. Comes with this nice seal. Here on top we have the hinge. We can remove it and put it to the side. So we can open it from the side if you like. If you want to feed cable from the side, we have these removable parts over here at the bottom. Cover can be locked easily. You can see you have to push here to open or pull actually. And here we have the receptacle, pretty much standard. And this screw will hold the whole thing in place. Goes into here and here. Removing this one here. Same thing with this one. And so after we have installed the box, we connect all the wires. By the way, make sure that you are using the grounding here and then another wire from this grounding to this grounding here. White and hot go directly to here and here. By the way, you don't have to use the cables outside on the screws. You can also use them inside. That's much easier. Didn't notice that first in the drawing. Definitely better use them inside and not outside. So we center it nicely here and then add the cover on top. And then we can secure everything together with these 2 long screws. Okay, first one is in. Second one, and so you can see everything is holding nicely together. Okay, and so the project is more or less finished. You can see it has a really nice hold. When I pull here, it looks like it's a little bit weak, but we are usually not pulling here. When we are pulling, then that's in the center, exactly in between these screws. So I'm not worried, but it would have been nice to have 4 of these clips, of course. Other than that, there is a little bit of a problem. And so I have the original box here. I have the original cover, but I have a different receptacle, and this is because the original one was not working. Here I have a different receptacle, and you can see when I plug it in, it shows absolute perfect wiring with grounding, with everything, and with the original receptacle it didn't do anything, no power at all. And so I went back and forth with the manufacturer and they had to agree finally that it's not working, that it's a faulty device, and so they are sending me a new one, but I wanted to use it, and so I added this one here, which of course doesn't have a GFCI switch, but I have the switch inside, which some people even say it's the preferred solution, so we don't have to deal with 2 of them. I mean, 2 GFCI breakers can be additional safety, but it can also cause some problems, so I think it's not a bad thing. Now I have the 2 outlets and even USB-A and USB-C, and it's working nice, so it's a standard size. So everything has been working good, except from that the receptacle arrived broken. But I would say it's a solid construction, would probably buy it again. And so if you're interested, I'll put down the link to the Amazon listing down into the description so you can check it out, order one for you if you like. And I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments or want to share your own experience with this outside box, then just let us know down in the feedback area. I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.